If you haven't done so already, please sign up for the Amazon Product Advertising API. Click the Join Now for Free button on the right side of the following page. affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Search Google for Affiliate Program Amazon Advertising API. Click on the first result. If you are not already logged into Amazon Web Services, AWS, login. Click plus Access Keys, Access Key ID and Secret Access Key. Click Create New Access Key. Amazon allows you to have up to 2 active access keys at a time. If the button Create New Access Key is inactive, please delete one of your older keys, so you can create a new one. Click Show Access Key. Copy the access key ID and secret access key and paste them in a text file on your machine. Save that file and remember where you have saved it. Otherwise, you will not be able to access your secret access key in the future.